Is there an age limit for dental implants? The good news is that there is no usually upper age limit for dental implants. Dental implants are not determined by age, but by overall oral health and bone condition. In fact, many patients in their 50s, 60s, or even 70s or 80s successfully receive dental implants and enjoy their long-lasting results. What matters more than age? Instead of age, dentists focus on several important factors before recommending dental implants. These include the health of the gums, the dentistry of the jawbone, and the patient's general medical condition. At Lema Dental Clinic, dentists perform detailed examination including digital scans and 3D imaging to evaluate whether implants are the right option. What if bone loss has occurred? When teeth are missing for a long time, the jawbone can gradually lose volume. However, this does not necessarily mean implants are impossible. In many cases, procedures such as bone grafting or sinus lifting can help rebuild the bone and prepare the jaw for implant placement. Benefits of getting implants later in life. For older patients, dental implants can significantly improve quality of life. They help restore chewing ability, improve speech, and provide a stable and natural-looking smile. Unlike removable dentures, implants are fixed in the jawbone and feel much closer to natural teeth. Why patients choose Turkey for dental implants? Turkey has become one of the most popular destinations for dental implant treatments. Clinics like Lema Dental Clinic combine experienced implant specialists, modern technology, and high-quality materials with more affordable treatment costs compared to many Western countries. A new smile at any age. Many patients are surprised to learn that it's rarely too late to restore their smile. With modern dental techniques, people of many different ages can benefit from dental implants and regain their confidence. If you're wondering whether dental implants are right for you, the team at Lema Dental Clinic is here to help. A professional consultation can determine the best treatment plan for your smile. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you restore your smile at Lema Dental Clinic.